Hello friends, welcome again to GIS Pathshala. So friends, in the last exercise, in the last video, we finished the exercise number 4.3. Now let me move forward. Now the next example is given when three sides and two angles are given, then how can we draw the quadrilateral? So friends, example number 4. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD where AB is given BC 5 cm, CD 6.5 and two angles are given B and C. So first of all we have to see that here two angles are given B and C. So if it is possible, so we have to first of all we have to draw the side BC. Side BC is given 5 cm. So we have to draw side BC 5 cm. After this, here we have to draw the angle of 105 and C angle. C angle is equal to 80 degree. So here we have to draw the 80 degree with the help of protractor. Okay, with the help of protractor we have to draw here 80 degree angle. Now we know that the different another sides are given, that is a BA is equal to 5 cm. So here we already know that here B is there. So we already draw this line, that is angle 105 degree. So take B as a center and draw the arc of 4 cm. So we got here our point A. Okay, now we having the another side, we having the CD is equal to 6.5 cm. CD is equal to 6.5. So friends, here we having the C. So take your compass, arc of 6.5 cm and connect these two. So our quadrilateral is ready now. So here draw the arc and match it. Okay, so in this way we can draw the quadrilateral. Now let me see the example. Next exercise, that is a 4.4. Here we have to draw the quadrilateral DEAR and the quadrilateral TRUE. Okay, so let me start. So friends, here I wrote all the data given here. We can see that two angles E and A. So first we will draw the EA side, that is given 5 cm. So with the help of scale, here draw the 5 cm EA. Okay, now the next step, draw the angle E is equal to 60 degree. So we can draw the angle with the help of compass. So take the compass, half square. So it is the 60 degree angle. So our 60 degree angle is ready. Okay, so it is our 60 degree angle. So here we have to write. Now A, angle A is equal to 90 degrees. So that angle also we have to draw with the compass only. (60 degree), 120 degree. Now one arc upside, one arc like this. Now join the A point with this arc, that is our 90 degree. ये हो गया हमारा angle, that is 90 degree. Now friends, see whatever other data is given, we having the DE is equal to 4 cm. So take E as a center and draw the arc of 4 cm. So we got our DE. So here are 4 cm. Take E as a center. This is our point D. Point D. Now DEAR, AR is 4.5. So take your compass, measure 4.5 cm. It is our 4.5 cm and draw the arc of 4 point. So here we got our point R. Now simply connect D and R. So it's our quadrilateral DEAR is ready. So here we have to write down 4.5 cm. Here we have to write down 4 cm. So here our quadrilateral is ready now. Friends, point of these quadrilateral points you have to write down by yourself. Points we have to write down compulsory. Okay, don't forget to write down the points. Now let me see the another question number 2, that is the quadrilateral TRUE. So first of all, R and U, two angles are given. So first of all we will draw the RU 3 cm. So here I am drawing RU 3 cm. This is our RU 3 cm. Our RU is ready. Now angle R is equal to 75. So let me draw the 75 degree angle with the help of compass. (60°), 120. Now this is our 90°. So this is our exact 90°. Sorry, a little bit mistake is there. So this is our line of 90° angle. Now we know that 90°. If we want to do the 75°, so it is the between the 60 and 90. 60 और 90 के एग्जैक्ट बिटवीन में आ जाएगा 75°. सो ये हो गया मेरा 75°. एंगल R इज इक्वल टू 75° इज रेडी नाउ. ओके, ये हो गया मेरा 75° इज रेडी नाउ. नाउ एंगल U इज इक्वल टू 120°. सो it is very easy. This one is 60° and this one is 120°. So our 120° angle is ready. So connect this U with 120°. Now let me see whatever other data is given. We have in the TR is equal to 3.5 here. TR, so T is coming over here. So TR is equal to 3.5. So take your scale and measure the 3.5 and draw the arc of 3.5 centimeter. So it is 3.5. Take R as a center, and so it is our point T. Now UE, TRUE, so E is coming over here. So UE is equal to 4 centimeters. So again take your scale, measure 4 centimeter. So it is our 4 centimeter. It is our point E. Now connect P and E. So our quadrilateral is ready. Okay, so here our quadrilateral is ready. So our exercise 4.4 is finished over here. Now we having some special cases. Let me see. So in example, some special cases. So first example number 5, draw the square of side 4.5. Okay, so very easy. We have to do a 4.5 centimeter line. Then both side we have to draw the angle of 90° and again 4.5 की आर्क लगानी है और उसको कनेक्ट कर देना है. Very easy. Now example number 6, is it possible to construct a rhombus ABCD where AC is equal to 6 centimeter and BD is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, AC and BD. So friends, we can see that AC and BD both are the diagonals, and for this, to solve these sums, we should know the properties of the rhombus diagonals. So in the rhombus, both diagonals perpendicular each other and both the diagonals bisect each other. So can we draw the rhombus with the help of that only diagonals? So here solution is given. Only 2 diagonals of the rhombus are given. However, since it is a rhombus, we can find the more help from the property. So the diagonals rhombus are perpendicular bisectors. So simply friends, what we have to do, we know that both diagonals are perpendicular. So 2 diagonals are given. One diagonal is 7. So first of all, we have to draw the line of 7 centimeter, and perpendicular to the 7, we have to draw the line of 6 centimeter and perpendicular bisector. Okay, and from this you just connect this all. So our rhombus is ready now. Here our exercise 4.5, question number 1, the square read READ with RE means any one side is given. So we know that in the square all the sides are same and all angles are right angle 90°. So we can draw it very easily, so that you have to do it by yourself. Next, rhombus whose diagonals are, 2 diagonals are given, 5.2 and 6.4. So first of all, what you have to do, first of all you have to draw the line of 6.4 centimeter. Then you have to find out you have to draw the perpendicular bisector of 6.4. Okay, you draw the perpendicular bisector of 6.4 and measure it 5.2 and then connect all sides. So that also you have to do it by yourself. the rectangle with adjacent side 5 and 4 rectangle also that you have to do, and the parallelogram OKAY where OK is given and KA, OK and KA both sides are given. Okay, that also you have to do by yourself. So this exercise 4.5 fully you have to solve by yourself, and send me the picture of full chapter 4.5 chapter number 4 before one day, after one day means before संडे 6 PM इवनिंग 6 PM से पहले आपको मुझे पूरा चैप्टर 4 नंबर भेजना है. ओके, थैंक यू एवरीवन, हैव अ नाइस डे.